In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that lets you spy on your competitors or brands in general, and it's completely for free. So, sound good? Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are on Google. Now, obviously, if you want to start running Google Ads, then Google is your starting point. So just real quick, I work with a lot of different clients. For example, I have worked with a client that has been selling natural stone materials and stone basins, paints and plasters, print-on-demand products. I've worked with clients in the gaming industry, arts and paints and toys, really a lot of variety when it comes to advertising on Google. This is my starting point. And it seems like not a lot of people actually know about this tool. This is essentially the equivalent to your Facebook ad library or the Meta ad library. Now, let me just real quick show you how to use it. So let's say, for example, you are running a sports store or an outdoor brand. You can either directly search for your competitors or you can look for products that you plan on selling. I'm just going to go with a potential competitor if you're in this niche here. Could be, for example, how about Decathlon? Everyone knows Decathlon. There we have it, sponsored. So here you can see a ad that is by Decathlon. Now, when we click on these three dots right here, you can then click on see more ads. And this will bring us to the Google Ads Transparency Center. And this is the tool I was talking about. It's completely for free and you can look up any company, any advertiser and see essentially their entire inventory of ads. Up here, you can select a couple different filters. Obviously, the date range that you want to look at. You can look for ads in a specific region. For example, let's say we want to check in the United Kingdom and maybe we want to look for Decathlon UK. Not for Decathlon Thailand. There you go. And here you can select the platform that you want to look at. So for example, if you click on YouTube, you can see, are these people running any YouTube ads? Are they maybe running video ads? You can also select shopping or Google search. You can see here the amount of ads they're running, around 3,000 different ads. And when you scroll down here, you get all these ads. And when you keep on scrolling, there will be more ads that will load up and more and more and more. Obviously, until all of them have loaded up. And why this is so great is, for one, you can see all the inventories that they're actually running ads on. So you know that they're running ads on YouTube, they're running ads on shopping, and they're running ads on search. And if you're an e-commerce store, then of course you want to run shopping ads and you want to run search ads. But maybe you also want to give YouTube a go. Here I can actually look at the ad copy. I can see, okay, keep active, stay healthy. Click and collect from over 6,000 locations. Okay, so they're obviously advertising with their widespread amount of locations, right? Decathlon is available in many different countries. Find all you need for scooters, 365 days returns. So they're using a guarantee in their ad. 365 days returns, over 70 sports. They're advertising with the amount of different sports they have in their store or equipment for different sports. They have this little review widget here at the bottom that shows that they have over 2,000 reviews with a 4.5 star rating on average. And you can just get a bunch of ideas here, which is really fantastic if you don't know where to start yet. This can help you write app copy. This can help you decide on which inventory to run, which widgets to use. Features and benefits is always something that you want to focus on. You can give a guarantee like they do here with the 365 return guarantee. You can advertise that you have lots of different things to choose from with a wide selection of products. You can advertise with things like keep active, stay healthy. So what is it actually that you're getting when you go by there? So you're going to be more healthy. So you can get a bunch of inspiration for what you might want to do with your ads. And that is pretty much all. You can browse around. You can look at all the different competitors. You can find competitors by simply Googling for your products that you want to sell and see which other websites or competitors people are actually selling these products. And then from there, dive a little deeper. Yeah, and obviously you can also find out in which countries your competitors are running ads in. So there's a lot to be learned, and then you can really apply all of this to your own brand. I will also leave a link in the description to this tool. It's, again, 100% free to use. Anyone can use it. And if you are interested in diving deeper into Google Ads and learning more about it, I would really appreciate it if you would like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will upload a bunch more videos in the future. And if you want to learn more about how to set up Performance Max campaigns, I recommend you watch this video. And if you're generally interested in what kind of ad setup you want to use for your e-commerce store or should use for your e-commerce store, then you can check out this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.